Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that this is a reminder video. It's Mastermind Influencing Team collab coming up this Sunday, October 4th. I hope you guys all can make it. It's going to be a great collab. We're going to have a lot of awesome creators that are going to join in. If you're not part of the team, still join in. Give us a video on what you think has helped you grow your channel. Give us some ideas how we can improve our channels. We're all here to grow our channels, big or small. And just because you're not a big channel doesn't mean you may not have an awesome idea. And we want to hear those awesome ideas, and maybe some of the other creators that follow this collab every month would love to hear what you think has helped you grow your channel. And that's what this is about, to help grow people's channels, have people help you figure out why you're doing bad, how you could improve, how you could do better, and what works, what doesn't work. We've all joined in on things that we thought would be helpful to our channel, and maybe it's helpful for the moment, but in the long term it's not. We're all looking for different things from our YouTube channels. And that also is a reason why we get a lot of different content, and it really helps us all to hear everyone's different opinions and about different things to do with YouTube. I hope you really join in. I hope you even go back and see what some of us have said in the past. You're going to learn a lot from this group. My favorite one out of the group that actually teaches you things to learn about YouTube that I am really not very good at. So don't ask me questions because I probably couldn't give you the answers. But created by me, Miss Me with Stephanie, she's the one to go ask questions to. She is an awesome channel. I hope you go check out her past posts. She's done an awesome job giving us great content and information about YouTube, how to work our channels, how to get better at our channels, and she is awesome. Now, she also does beautiful tablescapes, DIYs, all kinds of stuff on her channel. I love her to pieces, and go check out that and check Stephanie out. She's just great. Now, the one that puts all this on every month and puts everything together, and she puts a lot of time into it, Really Good Living, another awesome channel, and please go check out what she does if you're not already following her. And all these awesome creators are really awesome to go back and see what they've said in the past, because we all have different opinions. This is not like they're going to give you a challenge or a collab where they're going to give you, what would you do if this, this, and this. It's not like that. We all have a different opinion. Every month we are all going to talk about different things, so there's going to be something that's going to give you some encouragement and help you. So go over there and check us all out. I think you're going to be surprised at how different all our videos are going to be, and I'm sure there's going to be something that's going to help you. And sometimes just getting a little moral help also helps. When people tell you, okay, you didn't get what you wanted this month, shake it off and go to the next month. Hey, I'm having a terrible month this month on my watch time. Do you know, I can't get worried or upset. I did the best I could for the month, and that's it. And that's what you got to do with yourself. You cannot let yourself get upset or depressed about whatever you're doing on YouTube, because sometimes you're going to have really good months and do really good, and then some months you're going to have really bad months and the numbers are going to be down, and you put the effort in and you can do nothing about it. And just like I'm doing this video right now, and somebody in the neighborhood is using power tools. I could be upset about it, but I'm not going to let myself get upset. I'm doing this video no matter what happens. It's got to get up today, and I got to go to work, and if I don't do it now, it's not going to get done. So that's what you got to do. You just work on what you can and not get upset about it. Penny's Place is another awesome channel. She does a lot of inspirational talks, a lot of it, and I like her because she sort of cheers me on like she's a cheerleader of our group. And I need that, and I need the spiritual talks also, and so she's really good at that. She does do a lot of beautiful home decor also, and does DIY challenges. I'm sorry the wind's blowing also. See, nothing's going good for this video. And you know, you just do the best you can. And then Renting Live Luxury by Emma. Such a great channel. She just puts up beautiful videos, and they're all gorgeous channels. I'm not lying to you. All of these girls are great, and you're going to enjoy them all, and they're all going to give you some kind of inspiration off these monthly collabs, or give you some great information. There'll be something that you're going to get if you watch it. Please join in and help us if you can think of anything that would help us grow our channels bigger and better. And I know I'm going to say this wrong, so I'm spelling it out. D-I-T-Z-Y, D-I-T-Z. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce words properly. And I'm sorry that I'm killing your name. I am going to have to work on this, especially if I'm joining in every month with her. Another awesome channel. I'm going to have all these in the comment section, so you'll be able to, not comment section, description section, and so you'll be able to find these channels fine. Make sure, October the 4th, Sunday, this Sunday, we're doing this collab. Love to see you there. Hope you join in. The more the merrier. The more we can build our channels together, the better we're going to be. Don't be worried if you're a small channel, you don't have much content up yet. Even small channels can bring us back to reality, what it's like to have a small channel and what's important to a small channel. And there's more small channels out there than big channels. So let's get together, all of us, big or small, and build awesome, great network together. That's how we're going to get bigger and stronger. Don't forget, Mastermind Influence Team Collab. First Sunday of every month. There is going to be something up that you will get something out of, and not counting if anyone joins in that we don't even know about. And we would love all of you to join in and on this. Well, you know how Grandma is. If you made it to the very end, kisses and hugs to you. Grandma loves you all, and please take care. See you in the next video. To my awesome followers and friends, if you're not already following, please consider it. I would appreciate it so much. Take care, all my awesome friends and family. Here are all the creators joining in on this collab. Please go check them all out. They're all awesome, and I know you're going to enjoy each and one of these channels. They're all awesome creators, and they all do different things on their channels. And when we do this collab every month, they always come up with something interesting and different. We all have different opinions on how to run a YouTube channel. We all have different abilities, and so we all run our channels differently by our abilities. Don't ever not do YouTube because you are not really good on YouTube. I can barely put a video up. Now the one, if you have questions, is right here. Created by Ms. Me with Stephanie. Awesome channel, and she understands YouTube. She's the one to go and check out. You will love her channel. But all of these are great channels, and they all have great content, and I hope you go check them out. And of course, there may be a few new ones joining in this month, so go check out everyone that joined in. Until next time, you know we love you. Take care.